Hi, Scott Bruder here. So, I've got myself a Game Boy Advance SP, and I like to use it with a Easy Flash Omega, not the definitive edition. If you want to talk about the different versions, do it in the chat below. So, this card I've had for some time, and there's one problem that's recently presented itself, and that is when you go into the Easy Flash card itself. Oh, well, that's an even worse one. I feel like I'm going to stop here and fix this. Actually, you know what? Let's not cut the tape. So we've got this. I'm going to just pull the SD card out. Put it in again. Is there a chance I messed up? Who knows? I'll put that in there. There we go. Slide it back into the slot. Turn it on. Okay, I'll try this again. Oh, there we go. So make sure you have the SD card card in the slot correctly. So my problem is the real-time clock. So this is January 20th, 2024 at 10:10 p.m. on Saturday. That time's not correct. So that's 10:10 50 seconds. 10:10 and 50 seconds. So I'm going to count 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? So now it should be 10:11 and a couple seconds if that real-time clock's functioning. So let's turn it back on. And it isn't. The clock is actually not moving at all. And this shows in the games too. So if I went and played Pokemon, the clock wouldn't advance while the system is off. But when the system's on, it's perfectly fine. So I was like, well, I thought the real-time clock had something to do with how the time advanced no matter what, not just when it was off or on. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to just open this up, take a look at the battery, and see, if we have a good battery in there or if we're going to need to upgrade it. The way I do that is, of course, just open her up. One screw on the back. The Easy Flash Omega comes with two covers, one with a slim version of the case, so it can go in like a DS, and then one with the full-size version of the Game Boy Advance case, so it can go in a Game Boy Advanced or SP or items like that. Okay, so let's take a look here. That is a 3-volt battery. So I've got my multimeter set on DC volts, and I'm going to go plus, plus, minus, minus. Ooh, it's 0.09 volts. That's not even 1 volt. So it should be closer to 3. So I feel that the battery should probably be replaced. So what I'm going to do is I am going to, and you guys can definitely watch in the comments below, is I'm going to put in our description what model of battery this uses. And I'm going to order one off of Amazon or some local company. And what we'll do is we'll get a new battery ordered, and I'll show a video about how to replace it. And since I'm in here, I'm just going to make sure that those terminals for the battery have a good connection. I know they do, because they worked for a very long time. Okay, like, subscribe, and comment about the batteries. Perfect. Thank you very much for watching.